What's happening, guys, and welcome to Want to Go Fishing. I am Willie, and I have an answer. No, I don't have an answer. I thought I had an answer, but I don't have the answer. What I have is a possible answer to something that I was asked, because I don't know yet. So I don't have the answer yet. But by the end of this video, we'll have an answer. The answer was, or the question was, have I used the fishing bike? No, I haven't. I built the thing in the house and never really got a chance to take it out and do anything. So we decided we were going to bring it with us camping. I say us because my wife's with me, but she didn't decide on any of it. It was just on the back of the camper when she came out, so she didn't really have any say-so about it. Didn't care anyway. You probably don't either. But anyway, since I was asked, have I used it yet? No, I haven't. But today, we're going to take a look at this big guy, give you the stats, because I know there's a few of you bicycle guys out there that are interested in, you know, rear hubs and derailleurs and shocks and rims and all that stuff. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what this bike actually is. And then we're going to put it through its paces. We're going to take it fishing. I'm going to buzz all around the campground. There's lots of hills, lots of off-road stuff here. Can buzz down by the river. A lot of places we can put this thing through its test. So I'm going to show you the bike real quick. A Bianchi SOK. Now again, I don't know if SOK is SOK or sock. I don't know. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure what it's actually called, but it's spelled SOK. Now let's just go with some quick Shimano front crank, Shimano SLX derailleur, rear derailleur. This front derailleur appears to be Mega Drivetrain something or another. I'm not sure. I guess it's all, no, wait a minute. It's Dior or Dior. Maybe it's French, but it's not, because it's Shimano. That makes it Japanese. So there you go. Hope you're happy with that. But I basically bought this bike as is. I had sold the bike to a friend of mine, to Daryl, who I got the Mr. T from. And Daryl never really rode it and decided he was cleaning house, and that's why I wound up with Mr. T and the bicycle. So let's take a look here. Up front, you see we got a Toro RockShox on the front here. And what do we got up here? We got Shimano Dior, and of course this is your levers, shift levers. It is a hydraulic brake bike. Got a Shimano hydraulic brake, disc brake system. We have some full speed ahead FSA XC282 alloy handlebars. Okay, now all this I'm sure means something to somebody. It doesn't mean a lot to me because I don't know who half of these people are. What is that? FSA OS 190 alloy, and that's just your neck there. Don't call them goosenecks anymore. It's been a long time since they've called them that. Shimano BR M486 rear disc brake system. What kind of rims do we have? Let's look at these rims. WTB speed disc with some Kenda tires. And there you go. That's really the rundown. That's about the best I can give you for the bike. WTB seat. But basically, she's set up. This is a tackle box. Let me guess where I can see again. This is going to be the tackle box. This is where I'm going to keep a spare reel just in case something goes south, because I can only carry one rod, which I put back here on this guy here. And that's pretty much it. That's about as good as it gets. It's actually a good bike. Let's go out and give the thing a ride. What do you say? You with me? All right. White bass on the same jig that I've been using at the lake over in the brackish water. Just thought I'd show you that. This is about the bicycle. It ain't about fish, but that's cool. So there you go. Bike works great, shifts good, brakes work wonderful, shocks are great. The only couple things I can see that I need to do is I need to have something that probably goes right around here and goes into this hole down here to keep the rod from bouncing up and bouncing out. Other than that, I mean, even the seat's comfortable, which is rare for those little things like that. But, you know, things change, you modify, make things work the way you want them to work, but as it goes, bike works great. I did about, I don't know, if I had to guess, a couple miles really. I rode all around the gravel roads and up and down the trails and stuff that we have here. Bounced and banged. I never lost the rod, it never fell out, but a couple of times I heard it jiggling around back there like it wanted to. But that's, hey, it didn't come out. So anyway, we caught fish almost everywhere I stopped. And that was pretty neat. Gotta admit, I enjoyed that, because catching fish is what it's all about. It's probably not what it's all about, but yeah, anyway, you get the idea. That's what this was all about. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you find one of these in good shape like this one, Bianchi SOK or SOK, whatever you want to call it, it's a good bike. You can get one at a good price on it. It's a good bicycle. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. There, guys, I hope your question was answered. Do I use the bike? Well, I did, and I'm going to use it again. Oh, I'm going to use it again. Matter of fact, I've been scheming up ideas while the whole time I was riding around out here. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.